Chat, give me like 5 minutes, bro. 1. Let's go. See, bro? Hey, don't fucking -1, bro. I was here at the 1 second mark, bro. Don't do that. Don't play all games like that. Chat, what's up, man? Dude, man. Chat, what's up? Yo, chat, is there news today? I gotta check, bro. I think there is, right? There's something USD related. Gotta find out, man. My bad, bro. I woke up a little late today and I was making coffee, but we're here now. 2 red. Okay. 2 reds. I see. Give me a second, bro. Give me like 5 seconds. Going on right now. Jerome Yapper. Actually, he says some pretty informative stuff. We should pay attention. Because, you know, 90% of our trading should be fundamentals, right? According to professionals. Alright, chat. Good morning, chat. Let's go. Brand new day, man. Does my camera work? I think it does. Okay. I need to get something real quick. I need to get my Alright, bro. Let's get it going. Good morning, chat. Alright, bro. Let's see what I got going on today, chat. So let me just hold on. Let me just close one application up real quick. Let me close this one up. MT5, we're all good here? Oh no. MT5. About to be good. Gotta make sure I delete my trades, you know what I mean? Delete my losses off my screen. Alright, we're good. Let me actually reconnect. Eyes indicator activated. I should actually activate that, bro. I actually should do that. That's not a bad idea. Okay, is the charts moving again on my screen? Let's see. Come on. Okay, yeah, it's good now. Alright, Alright, chat. No longer waiting. Let's do this analysis. Let's get going with the day, man. Happy Monday. Welcome back to a brand new week, chat. It is currently yeah, as I said, it's currently Monday. Let's see. Today we have Empire State Manufacturing Index at 8:30 a.m. Eastern. So yeah, in about like 19 minutes here, we have that going on. So I have like about 15 to 19 minutes to do my analysis, which should be enough time. And then we're gonna probably look for like the post-trade news that we usually would. And then let's see, depends on like how much volume that comes. I haven't checked the chart since Friday, so I have no idea where we stand right now. But depending on how that looks, we could be out today by 8:40, to be honest, bro. Or we could, you know, keep waiting until 10, maybe 10:30. We'll see how things go. But that's today. Tomorrow you have a shit ton of Canadian news, but you only have retail sales for the US dollar. Wednesday you have nothing going on. Thursday you have unemployment claims, Philly Fed Manufacturing Index, ECB press conference. Friday, July 19, you have core retail sales for Canadian dollar. That's not the US dollar. Yeah, so I guess it's just like a little bit Thursday and Tuesday and today. It's not too bad, but looks like a pretty light week, to be honest, bro. But let's get it going, chat. Let me just set my Zoom, and then after that, everything should be good to go. And my Twitter, I do that as well. Let's go. Trading gold term news. All right. That's good. One more thing. And my Discord over. Yeah, cropped out that picture. Whoa, whoa. Okay. Zoom lens. So how y'all doing today though? It's a new week, bro. Hey, we had a good month. Like, how you guys feeling going to like the second half of the month here? Literally the second half of the month, the 15th today. How you guys feeling, man? Wait, is July 31 days or 30 days? 31 days, right? I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I think it's 30. No. 30 days. You know what? Let me just check. 31 days. Okay. I see. I see. Doing good? Locked in? Nice. Super rich? Alright, bro. I feel you, bro. I feel you. Alright, man. No more waiting, chat. We're good now. Okay? We're good now. Alright, so let's get it going, chat. So today you have news 8:30. Okay, so like we're gonna figure out how we take trades at 8:30 here. If not, then we're gonna figure out during like 9 a.m. how we're gonna take trades post 9 a.m. because if you can't take trades at 8:30, between 8:30 and 9, obviously I'll wait for the 4-hour candle closure, which means that you gotta wait until post 9, right? Which is the 4-hour closure. So I'll do my analysis now for the news candle basically, and then an overall update too, a little bit of that, but then overall like we're gonna do another analysis at the 4-hour closure at 9 a.m. as well. Okay, chat. So taking a look at this, holy fuck, are we ripping? Obviously, you know, for the monthly, like I've mentioned this month that like I am bullish this month, but before being bullish for the monthly, I was expecting a bottom wick first, and I said that July 1st, right? And I said how on July 1st, as the days go by, as the weeks goes by, and we start to create more structure and things start to get more, like you start to create more structure and more ranges, right? Obviously, like things will change throughout the monthly. So like if you take a look at it, the monthly currently, this thing has, this headrest, put low up. This monthly, chat, you have no bottom wick still. So like if you take a look at this right here, we currently have no bottom wick, and all prices done this month was push up. That's all prices done. Hasn't really came down, created a bottom wick, and just continue to push. There's been a couple of times where like you did pop up and then you did almost pull back, like you probably pull back towards here and then you continue to re-break the highs, right? So like basically, if I were to pinpoint what exactly happened there, it was pretty much this. So like let's say this is where the what was this, July 1st. Okay, yeah, July 1st, right? So basically you came up here, right? So say you pull back here, at one point the monthly candle was looking like this. It was looking like this, right? This is the monthly candle. This is how the monthly candle started off. But then what ended up happening was, as the month went on, this thing actually pulled back. So it went from looking like this to looking like this. How did I know that it was looking like this? Well, because if you look at this candle low, you got to create it right there. So if this is if these 3 candles is what makes a monthly candle, right? What that means is that, like, in terms of structure, so far what you have right now is a push up and you have a retracement, right? So that's what happened. And then you came up to re-break the highs on the next weekly candle after filling the wick, right? So like, or not filling the wick, you actually closed bullish, or you actually created a bottom wick and then came up to re-break the highs, which means that the monthly candle now would then look like this, right? It came up towards here and then it finally closed, and therefore it looks like this now, because you see how this candle closed bullish, left a low wick. This is how the monthly candle looks now, which means that in terms of structure, this is what happened to price action, right? This is what ended up happening. It came up to retest the highs. So now you're sitting at a point where, okay, you're about to basically close above the range, right? So if you look at this overall range here, what happened? You have a resistance here, right? You have a support here. This is the range that you're in. You actually end up closing back above the most recent highs, right? Because this is how the weekly candle closed, which means that this week you are likely to drive up. And it might be a little dangerous because you actually might be driving up towards all-time highs, which is of nowhere, bro. I did not expect June to make July to make all-time highs. So if that's what's happening, and you're currently re-breaking the previous higher high, which is this higher high right here, look at the weekly. You can create a bottom wick and just continue to pop. The hard part is, like, where is that bottom wick going to be for the monthly, right? Where is that bottom wick going to be? Or sorry, yeah, the weekly. But going back to the monthly real quick, chat, that's why we have to just adjust to the current cycles. Like, you can't really marry a bias, right? Like, we have like an overall bias for a monthly of what could happen, but then we also have things that must happen before we get to that idea, and that never formed. So as now it's like, what, July 15 here, halfway into the monthly, it looks like you're not coming down for the bottom wick anymore. It looks like you are just going to continue pushing up with the weekly. So if that's the case, then I would assume that this week should be a pretty bullish week for us. And what we have here in the monthly might actually end up closing or breaking the previous kind of highs to make all-time highs this month. So if you drop down to the weekly chat, this weekly closed bullish. All right. It didn't really close bullish above like this range exactly, but it's still a bullish closure. And in terms of like structure, if that's what we just broke down, and how we broke down the fact that it came back up to re-break the previous higher high, there's a very high chance this week, chat, that you are actually going to pop up, and you don't need to actually close above to indicate that. You can say that like this might have been your resistance here. At the end of the day, honestly, I wouldn't really count this as my resistance, or even this as my resistance, due to the fact that they like, I'll count this as doji candles. Basically what that means is that, like, if you look at those 2 candles here, left candle, right candle, they opened up here, came back down, which means that this candle closed doji. Same thing here, very similar in a way. But I'll count this and this as doji. So like, basically, if I'm basing my resistance, I'm basing it off of, like, I'll say these levels here. So like, I'm basing structure off of this, right? So what happened? Came up, came down, broke the lows, came back up, came all the way back down, re-breaking the highs. Now I would assume that if this is what you did down here, then as you continue making higher lows here, right, bottom wicks and such, you should continue to pop up towards the next resistance or all-time highs potentially. So my next resistance on price is gonna be, I'll say, like right here, obviously, right? That's all they really have left, chat. When your all-time highs gets a bit tricky, because like you don't have much data in front of you. You're basically going off of just like the candles to the left, but like the candles to the left when you're at all-time highs versus the candles to the left when you're like down here and you have so much data looking left is completely different, right? So off of this alone, chat, it does show me that like you have clean traffic up until today, at least 24-27. So like, we're gonna look for buys there, right? We're looking for buys up until 24-27. So like, you do have news here in about 9 minutes here, and what we could look for during news is basically just a re-break of highs after price makes a high. So like, as I drop down to a smaller time frame here, what we could do is this. So like, we can mark up our levels as we usually would, right? So we can mark up like these levels to the left here. You can probably say the 1 hour candle close above here. I'll probably use the 1 hour in this case then. So let me just draw that line there. Yep, that's actually a perfect 1 hour resistance there. Look at how it lines up with this right here and this right here. Last time we closed above, we popped up, closed above, popped up, closed above, popped up. Even when you did break structure here, you popped up too. Came all the way up, broke structure, pop up again. So like that's a pretty decent resistance, chat. And you close above there. The only thing missing is the bottom wick, right? Now, obviously, right now you're coming down for a bottom wick. So what we'll do for news, chat, basically keep things short and simple, is we'll wait for price to make a high. Okay, so like what that means is that we'll wait for price to actually re-break the highs. If there's no guarantee of you breaking highs, so if you actually come up to re-break the highs after a bottom wick, we won't be in buys. However, once you pull back, let's say you come up towards here, you pull back now. This is how the candle looks, but there needs to be a bottom wick though. I would love to see a bottom wick. Once you actually come back up to re-break the highs, that's our buy stop right there. We'll have a buy stop place like right there on the news candle, and then what? We'll take buys towards what, chat? Towards the daily resistance, which is what? I think 23.27. That's what I said earlier. So we'll look for buys up until this resistance still left there, and that's a buys we'll go grab during the news candle. All right. I believe that, like, I'm pretty sure even if prices to come down today, like if the direction today was to really be bearish, like for the daily candle to flip bearish, re-break the lows and re-break the current daily low bearish candle like this, for it to do this, it's going to require a lot of liquidity. So that's why, like, buys going up, you have a bit more room left, because at least you have buys into the next advantage point here, which is like 23, 24, 23, 27-ish levels. I'll say right here to be safe, to be honest here. This is a pretty good target for the day. 23, 22. All right, so that's your advantage point. Your next advantage point after that is going to be like 23, 26. And then after that, you have like obviously 29 and then like 40, right? But like, let's take a one range at a time. Looking left on a daily, it shows that you have clean traffic until 26, 27. So that's likely to be my TP today if I get in buys. But yeah, chat, that's what we're gonna do during news. Okay, so we're not gonna have buy stops and sell stops before news. We're gonna wait for numbers to come out, wait for price action to form, and then hop on the buy stops once that count actually breaks the highs, pulls back, and then, you know, buy stops after that. Or if we are looking for sells, which we are as well, there's always room for both positions. Sells for me, I would honestly like to see a tap at 24.22 first. So like if you tap 24.22 and then you come back down to re-break the lows, I'll look for sells. But I do need to see a tap into 24.22. If you can actually tap that like this, pop, and then you come back into the range like this, you reflip bearish, re-break the lows, there could be potential sells. I'll say like potential sells on the re-break the current candle lows, or like once you have a 5-minute closure back below these ranges to the left here, if you drop down to the 5, right? Anything below here. But you do want to wait for that tap into 24.22, because like if you close below like this could just be liquidity. Any given point, this thing could just rip right back up to the top of the range, and this is what can happen, right? So like the only way you can take sells down, the only way to indicate that we're bearish for a day is a minimum tap into 24.22. Once that happens, okay, sells down once you close below the range could be valid, because you have structure, you have liquidity, and you're ready to go, right? But before, if price were to come down today, that's what must happen. That's why I'm looking for buys up to tap 24.22 minimum, because that's the minimum requirement today. All right, chat. So it could be anything today. It could be buys, it could be sells. Don't matter. Don't care what it is. It's just what makes the most sense to take at the current situation. And that's why it's important to pay attention to market cycles and the market conditions that we have at the moment, instead of mirroring the idea of the daily candle either being bullish or bearish, right? You want to adapt to the current cycles of the markets and what that currently is doing. So that's what I got going on today, chat, and that's what we're gonna wait for. Okay. All right, chat, that is the analysis. So let me know if you guys have any questions. We have like 4 minutes left until news comes out here, and should be lit, man. Should be lit. Should be lit, man. Is BlueberryMarkets better than IC markets? You want the paid answer? I'm playing. BlueberryMarkets better than IC. I never use IC. I heard they're really good. Like, I heard they're really good. I don't know, bro. I've used like Vantage FX before. That was like my favorite broker. I'll take that over Blueberry. No offense, but they just had better spreads. Not gonna lie to you. One thing about Blueberry is that they have no commissions. Same shit though. They're both regulated before. IC Markets is regulated too, no? But yeah, I think IC Markets should be a pretty good broker. Don't matter to me, man. Whatever broker works for you. Yo, raise this up, bro. What's up, man? Let me go on live chat here. Oh fuck, where's my phone at? Let me actually post something. Actually, no, I'm gonna post this. Fine. Yeah, I'll post it. Fuck it. Why not? Where's my link at? Chat, this fucking playbook that we're creating is gonna be the greatest shit of all time, I think. Like, I don't think any other playbook out there comes even close to this playbook that we're about to drop. Like, I'm pretty sure we'll be done by summer. I'm pretty sure. Like, we're working like it's we were expecting like end of summer, but it actually might be end of July, to be honest, bro. But like, bro, end of summer for sure, bro. It's gonna be insane. It's actually gonna be insane. Everyone's trying to mimic our old playbook, bro, but I feel like this playbook is just like, it's gonna blow out the window, bro. It's actually be insane. Actually insane, bro. Winter? Yo, yeah, it's actually be insane, chat. Like, there's so many playbooks coming out nowadays. It's like, bro. Okay, bro. Okay, bro. All right, man. All right, bro. Go ahead. But when we drop our playbook, chat, I can't even put into words, bro. How it actually creates. It's gonna help you guys so much, chat. It's with the new updated strategy. It's gonna help you guys out to T, like, step by step on what to do, bro. I ain't know what to say, man. You guys are gonna love it. We're doing the drafts right now, and the drafts alone, I know for a fact you guys are gonna love the drafts, but it's nowhere like done in terms of, it's not furnished or anything yet. It's not like it's not done, but bro, even the draft alone is fire. All right, bro. So let's see what's up here, man. Let's see what's up here. Okay, remember that bottom wick? I said we have the bottom wick now. So let's see if news comes back up to re-break the highs at 24.21. All right, so bottom wick first. Can't look for much just yet. You didn't get top wick yet for 6 sells yet, right? So I can't really look for sells just yet. Let's see here. Did price flip? Price flip for a quick second. Let the volume sink in. Hold on. Give it a bit. It's been 10 pips so far, but should pick up. Should pick up here. $29.14. All right, so we see how it's like currently flipping bullish again. It's still below that structure point, right? It's still below 24.18. So like, be cautious. Like, you really want to see the candle re-break the highs, which is the 1 hour candle, and then you want to see a pull back, and then you want to see it re-break the highs again. Otherwise, like, any given point, this could literally happen. Pop up, flip bearish, boom, straight down to fill the range at 24.14. Which, if that were to happen, if you break the highs and you don't re-break the highs and you reflip bearish, instead we'll have sell stops right here. They can sell straight down towards 24.14. And that's like a solid 20 pip coming down, 25 pip range coming down. All right. Oops. All right. I mean, 20 pips. Hot numbers come out neutral. Let's see. Negative numbers. All right, well, let's see what price reacts, how price reacts that now. Go on GG over here. Yeah. All right, man. Come on, gold. Do something, bro. I haven't even sipped my coffee yet. It's right for Powell. Nah, it's you're gonna see Vaughn picking in about like 2 minutes ago. How true is this concept when never comes a news that accounts have to drive out, vice versa? It's technically because like it comes down to how the dollar is the dollar, right? So like for instance, like if numbers come out bad, it's bad for a dollar. Gold technically should drive up, but it's not always the case. I'll say like 95% or 80% of the time, 85% of the time it would drive in that direction. But there's cases where like it comes out positive for a dollar, for instance, and gold drives up as well, which is supposed to drive down, right? So like I don't really look at news. Like there's days where we trade news chat and I'm not even looking at the folder. I'm just looking at price action. Like I don't check the folder until like an hour later. Like, oh shit, we came up positive an hour ago, right? But we got out the trade. So it's like I just look at how price reacts to those numbers. Like that's what's more important. The data you have in front of you. Like this right here is useful to have. Don't get me wrong, but like this tells you everything, right? Like this tells you everything. This tells you when you're taking your trade. This tells you when you're not taking your trade. This tells you when your play's playing out. This tells you what you need in order for you to take your trade, right? That's why I'm looking at this. This just kind of gives, this is like a volume indicator as well. I'll say this just brings in volume, right? So volume for my price action and play out is why I use it for. But like I'm not relying my whole entire like analysis off of this. Like, oh shit, we came up bearish. Gotta look for buys now, you know, because sometimes that might not actually work out. So that's just how I go about it when it comes to news. Like this right here, I can't take sells down as much as I would want to, right? Like I need to see a top wick here first at 22 and 22. So I can't really do much here. I just gotta sit around and wait. Next thing you do have is the 4-hour closure, which is at 9 a.m. So that comes in about like 25 minutes here. That should be pretty interesting. If you reach 1,000 likes and get a sneak peek of playbook, no sneak peek, bro. When it comes out, it comes out. I actually can't wait till it comes out. I'm really like excited. Like, bro, it's 5 years of work, chat. Like everything that we've done till now is on the playbook. And our strategy is like very like, it's a lot, right? It's not as simple as it used to. That's why like the playbook would help you guys a lot, man. But no sneak peeks, bro. All right, so you broke the lows there. You're filling that range. Some would say it's a gap fill, but really it's just a candle looking left, right? Like you filling this range down. Should like if it's coming down, it should tap to like 24.14. I can't take sells though right now. I gotta wait for that top wicks though, because at any given point, there's one I can still flip. But these candles are pretty nice in the 5. Like you have like previous 5 top wicks here, flip bearish. Pretty decent range in here. I think it's like a 20-35 pit range here. Right? How big is this range, chat? Overall, like a 25-30 pit range. It's not bad. I just need to see that top wick here. All right, 24.14.16. Can you tap? The daily could still flip. There's still potential of that. How's the day look over here? Let's take a look. Yeah, bearish candle off yesterday. This one broke the highs. Weak bearish candle though. Very, very weak bearish candle, I'll say. On a daily. Yesterday or Monday, or what am I saying? Friday. Very weak bearish candle after coming down for a bottom wick too. So I'm not sold on that just yet. I think the next time we can take sells, if it's not for that top wick and then this range fill here, then it's probably gonna be like below maybe below here, to be honest, chat. Below like 24.11, I'll say. Yeah, below 24.11. Not here though. I wouldn't take sells there. At least here, because any given point could still be a bottom wick, right? But if you break this 24.11, I'm pretty sure that's a range 2 breakout, which is just an extra confirmation that you're coming down. So below 24.11, you have like clean traffic to like 24.09, and that's like a 20 pip range you have. That's probably what I'm looking for next. Price is tapping this level. You should see price react there. Like you should see like a little reaction here. Minor reaction. It's just like a minor level, but just see price react. And then let's see what happens after it reacts here, man. Currently reacting on a T to the T. You guys keep asking me why this, why don't you take this, why don't you take that? Everything that like you guys are asking why for has been explained. Like, I told you guys why I can't take the sells. I told you guys what I'm waiting for taking the sells. Right? I give you guys every single idea there was that I have in my mind for any positions today. Like, I can't just make up positions just because I want a position. Like, I just say, all right, well, this one looks decent. Let me just take this. That's not what I'm trying to do when I'm trading. I'm trying to like take the most probable position in my favor. Right? So like, I'm just playing on my ideas, and if my ideas don't form, then we can't take any positions, bro. We just gotta wait, you know? Like, the next thing you have is a 4-hour closure, or if you close below 24.11, or if you reflip bullish on the 1. Like, I have ideas though, right? Like, you should have like at least like 4, like depending, like, I don't know, but like at least 2-3 ideas a day minimum or per session, and then you should be waiting for the ideas to play out. But those ideas are straight from your playbook. Like, during the NY session, you should be able to come up with at least 3 ideas with the volume that you have and with the way the accounts print usually. And that's all we're waiting for, man. But it's not like I have like one idea, and then if that idea doesn't form, I'm done. Like, I'm fucked. Nah, like, there's so many ways to enter and exit. Like, the next thing you have here is a 4-hour opening, 4-hour close, top wick, bottom wick. You can take advantage of that as well in the 4-hour candle. You can take advantage of the 4-hour candle trend that forms next if you wait a little longer, right? You can even take advantage of the sells coming down here the last 20 minutes of the candle. But it really comes down to what is forming, and if what is forming is in your playbook. If it is, then take it. If it's not, then don't take it. That's it, man. That's how trading really is, bro. But like, look, no bottom wick here. Let's see what happens here. This candle should push down, but it should flip bullish on the 5 after pushing down here. Should be able to do something like this. Yassine, what's up, man? Let's go. It's thirsty, but I'm Diddy, huh? Thomas G, what up, man? Any tips on being trigger happy on Mondays? Mondays are my worst days. It's your worst days because it's in your head. It's all in your head, bro. It's not actually your worst days. Every day is the same. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Same shit. If the market is printing out something from your playbook, then it's a valid trade. If it's not, then it's not a valid trade. You can't trade that day. It could be a Monday, it could be a Wednesday, it could be a Thursday, it could be a Friday, it could be a Tuesday. It could be any day, right? But like, if something is forming from your playbook, by the way, no bottom wick, that 5 is flip bullish. If something is forming in your playbook, take it, right? If it's not, don't take it. But it shouldn't be, today's a Monday. I don't know, man. I'm not feeling it today. Like, you're using feelings now. You're putting feelings in the equation. When you do that, you're gonna be a mess, bro. You're gonna be all over the place. And then you're gonna start making excuses for like your trades afterwards too. Like, oh, market whipsaw me today. Market manipulated me today. Friday, you don't trade Fridays because the Fridays gonna manipulate me. Like, nah, man. Like, just treat every day the same. Every day come with the same intention, same mindset, and you should just be trying to follow the trades in your playbook. That's it. Straight up. It's either yes, it's valid, or no, it's not valid. There's no, it's valid, but it's a Monday today. No, bro. No, bro. That's some tier 1 trading. That's like first year of trading, when you first get into trading, you read baypips.com, you go on like YouTube, watch a couple of traders, and then you get that tip. No, bro. It's literally just, if it's valid, take it. If it's not, don't take it. But make sure like you stand on that. Like make sure you have a playbook, right? Because then the rest doesn't matter. You're just literally just taking your high probable trades only. That's it. I feel like I put less probable plays on Monday because the after the weekend, and I look less at the details than at Thursday. I don't know. Maybe your trading style that works, that suits you. But from my experience, like I used to have, like, bro, I've heard that line so many times too. Like they don't trade Monday or don't trade Friday or don't trade Wednesday even. And I can honestly say it's all the same thing, bro. It's literally all the same. If you treat every day the same, it's all the same every day, each and every day. The market conditions will change though. Like you have to be able to trade at least 2 cycles, right? Because each year there's like 4 different cycles or 3 different cycles: drive, range, liquidity, right? So like the more times you run through those cycles, like the second year, third year, fourth year trading especially, you're gonna have more experience trading the different cycles. Some people might only be good at trading a current cycle. Like let's say they're only good at trading the drive cycle, the one where you just continue driving. Like when gold was at all-time highs earlier this month. By the way, we might have a bias up here once you re-break the highs, chat. Potentially here, if this 5 does, because you came up, made a high, came back down, made a low. I'm assuming that if you were to re-break the highs, then you actually may continue up here. Or let's see, you have a 5 closure actually. Let me wait for the 5 closure and see how the next 5 forms. Because if the next 5 comes down for a bottom wick, reflips, breaks the highs, there can be buys here going up towards like 24.16. But as I was saying, like there's different cycles in the year, right? And like the more times you go through those cycles in a year, you're gonna have a lot more experience trading those cycles. Some people might only be good at trading certain cycles. Like they might only be good at trading like the range cycle or like the liquidity cycle or like the drive cycle, right? Because the plays from their playbook are only intended for those cycles, or they maybe only sample size those trade setups during those cycles. So you have to get used to trading all 3 cycles consistently to know like what days actually work and what days doesn't work for you. Like that's the only way. It's gonna take some time, bro, but sooner or later, bro, you won't be saying that anymore. Trust me. It really comes down to just experience, bro. Just experience, like just experience and data that you collect over time. That just makes you better and stronger each year. Okay, so look, I need a bond wicker, chat, because I'm assuming here this is the last 15-minute candle of the 4-hour candle. We can take the pullback on the 4-hour candle or on the 1-hour candle here. But I do want to see a bond wicker because any given point, this thing just break the lows and drive down, right? So I want to see like this happen and then a reflip bullish, and then I'll take the buys up and the re-break of the highs, if that forms. If that forms. This is a cauliflower flip. All right, bro. New plays. New plays unlocked. How do you do with being burnt out on trading? Burnt out, bro. I don't know. Like, I don't even know if I ever got to the point where I did get burnt out, to the point where I stopped trading. Like, obviously, like there's days where you feel like you don't feel like trading. You feel like just chilling. Or especially for me, with days where I don't feel like streaming, right? Because I trade and stream, so I just show up though. And then as I show up, I just feel better. I don't know. I haven't really like crashed out or burnt out yet though. Like even after when I blew my account in February, bro, I still traded every day. I still treat the next day the same, and this is what I preach though, right? I always preach to you guys, like whenever rough shit happens, just continue doing what you're doing, man. If you've been trading for like X amount of years, X amount of time, that time that you spent trading was all for experience for these very special moments that you blow your account, or these special moments when you crash out, right? So when you crash out, you know what to do. And that's just the mindset that I kept whenever I do feel like, not trading. I just show up and try to do the same thing the very next day, knowing that good things will eventually happen long term, and eventually it does. But training's you never really like reach a peak. There's no peak in trading, bro. Like it's infinity. You can always get better. That doesn't end. Oh, 15-minute count closed bearish here. Let's see. So you want to see this bottom wick, man. You really want to see this wick fill in the bottom wick on the 15. How much is that fill? That fill is going to be approximately 13 pips there. This is a job. Yeah, trading is a job, though. Technically, it's a job, bro. It's a job. It's a job in a career. You ever cry when you lose money or blow an account? What am I? No, bro. Why would I cry or lose? It's at the end of the day. At the end of the day, as long as I'm living and breathing, bro, that's all that matters, right? Like, I'm grateful to be in the position I'm in. So, like, when I do blow an account, I'm not. Actually, no. It should be for everybody. When you blow an account, it shouldn't be blowing your whole entire life savings. Yeah, matter of fact, everybody should be. No one should be dealing with that situation unless you're just a pure gambler putting your life at risk. But like, you shouldn't be putting your entire account or entire life savings into your trading account and trading it. So like, there's no reason to cry, because like, if you're putting something that you're willing to risk, something that you're willing to lose, it's okay, right? You put that amount in there for a reason, because you shouldn't be afraid that you're gonna lose it one day. That's what trading is. It's risk in trading, right? So everything that you put in your trading account, you should be able to not really feel ways about when you do lose it. And if you do feel ways about it, maybe you should put a little less to the account, right? But no, I don't cry, or I don't think I ever cry when I lost money for it, bro. I've lost a shit ton of money before too, aside from trading. Don't cry, bro. Who cries, bro? What's crying gonna do for you, bro? Just come back the next day and look at the charts. Lock it in. And it's obviously through time it's gonna get better, right? It won't get better next day, but post trading, after losses are the most important days, because like those are the days that define you the most, to be honest, in trading, right? Because you're gonna be there again eventually when you do lose money, when you do lose the trade. So just get used to it, you know, and learn to get better at dealing with those feelings each and every time. That's really all that is, man. But you shouldn't be crying. What is this, bro? Crying girl left you? That's a reasonable, bro. That's reasonable. That's reasonable. But trading money? Goofy ass music, bro. What is this? Yo, can someone do timestamps today, chat? I would appreciate it, because Circle said he won't be on stream today. So does anyone want to do timestamps and post in the comments afterwards? I appreciate it, man. I should have asked you guys earlier, but you know the way Circle does it after every stream? Someone wants to handle that today. You lose money to learn how to make money to recover tons of money? Yes. Yes, yes, yes. You will forever win money in this market. You will also forever lose money. And you will forever break even on money. You can't say, man. It's trading. That's what it comes with. Get used to it, bro. Or else you'll never ever get there, bro, if you don't get used to it. You have to. It's okay, you know? It's okay to go in drawdown, chat. You guys know it's okay to go in drawdown. If you guys watch me, it's okay. It's okay to lose money on trades. It's okay to win money. It's okay to win 10 pips. It's okay to win 5 pips. It's okay to win 100 pips. It's okay, man. There's no right or wrong way, you know? It's completely fine, but you gotta be consistent. And you gotta learn that it's gonna happen again. Yo, 499, bro. Appreciate the orchid. This music's giving me Mario Kart vibes. Same, bro. Alright, what's happening here, man? How much was that push up in the rebreak it has, by the way? 3 pips? We're gonna wait for the 4-hour closure, chat, 9 minutes here, and then we'll look for more trades after 9 AM probably. But it's looking like the 4 counts on close bullish here, which means you have a wick fill up, which means that things get very, very, very interesting. I mean, I don't really see, if you close bullish especially, I don't really see how you could re-break the lows at 2400 today. And that's a pretty decent stop too on the daily candle. Wait for a bottom wick and buys up. That'd be a bad idea, man. or you can look for sells down and take the sells for the bottom wick of the 4 hour candle. Understand that the 4 can still flip. Then you also gotta apply an extra equation, extra confirmation to the equation, which is maybe an extra top wick before coming down for sells. So if the 4 can opens up, top wick first, look for sells after that. But we'll get into that later, chat, in about 8 minutes here. But start planning, all right? Start thinking of like how you can take your trades next for the 4 hour closure. When's natural gas? I think Thursday, no? Pretty sure on Thursday. Yeah, Thursday at 10:30. I feel like the only thing I do is lose money. You feel like the only thing you do is lose money. The reason why you feel like that is maybe because you don't have much experience yet. This is how you feel, right? But you can change how you feel. Let's celebrate their 3rd super on live stream. Jeez, 3rd super on live stream. Did Don blow 100% of the account balance in February? Yeah, I did. I deposited like I think 140, I think 140, and then we grew to 300 and I blew the entire thing. And everyone's like, yo, Don, what are you gonna do now? What are you gonna do now, Don? Why aren't you doing anything about this, bro? And like I said, chat, I told you guys before any of that happened, I will be at a point where that happens again. I'll be there again. And I told you guys how we're gonna handle those feelings and those emotions, bro. We just gotta move on, you know? Just gotta move on and not look behind, look forward and look towards tomorrow. And then that's all that I did. And it took like a good 4 months, 5 months to make it back, but did make it back. And now we're here and we're on top of that this year too. So like you gotta keep pushing, bro. You can't dwell on your losses, bro. You can't dwell. You just can't dwell, bro. You're gonna blow another account? Maybe one day, yeah. Like I'm open to that, bro. That's what trading is. Like I'm not saying I'm not gonna ever again. You know, it's what trading is, bro. What trading is. Like that wasn't the first time. That won't be the last time. Just like my drawdown trades, but this is what you guys have to understand though. Like you are gonna be in tough situations, but prepare yourself and mentally to be there and to come back from these moments. Like that's what makes or breaks you in trading. There's no other way to go about it, bro. If you start thinking you have to be a perfectionist in trading, you can't do this, you can't do that, you can't go and draw down, you're gonna lose your shit and probably give up in trading the next 4 or 5 months, bro. So like you gotta just keep going and not look back, bro, because looking back doesn't really do anything for you, man. And everyone trades different. Like some people like to risk more, some people like to risk less. Like, bro, it's just trading, man. Just trading, chat. You'll be alright, bro. Y'all see me, bro. Y'all see me. Been on the live streams every day since February, bro. Every trade that I took after that was called out in the channel. Called out, taken. I did not take a trade. I did not take a single trade here on my account, on this account here, without calling it in the channel or on stream. Every single trade that I took was either in those two. Each and every single trade after that. So the bounce back was real, bro. I didn't just, you know, take 100 runners off stream overnight. Like, no, I actually like did it in the channel on stream for you guys, bro, to show you guys that it could be done, but it just takes time, man. Just keep going, see a lot of names come and go. Yeah, man, you see a lot of names come and go for sure. And we know about that too, right? We are warned and we are prepared for that too. People come and go all the time. But hey, bro, stronger than ever, bro. Stronger than ever, and got a shit ton coming this year, man. Very, very excited, bro. But like when those people come back, I don't want them to come back and just like, I want them to come back and be like, damn. Like I want them to realize that like to make it in trading, you really gotta stick around, bro. You can't just leave when things get rough, because it it resonates to how they trade and how they treat their accounts the same way, bro. So when they do come back, I hope it's a lesson for them. Hope it's a lesson for them, bro. We venture to features in the would you ventures into feature in the future? I don't know. Maybe if fuck, we don't have the bottom wick yet, bro. Maybe if like, oh, you need a bottom wick though. We take sales in the 4 opening, probably, chat. To be honest, we can probably take sales in the 4 opening. You need a bottom wick no matter what happens here. So 24.13. 2 minutes left. Let's see what happens. But you could take sales in the 4 opening, chat. Likely, man. How big is that range? Might be a quick trade too at 9 a.m. So be ready. 30 pip range minimum, and then yeah, man, like 20 pip range minimum if anything. And then from there on out, forward can continue pushing up. Will I venture the futures? I don't know. Right now, like I'm just trading gold because my broker still offers gold. So one day maybe. It's the same thing, right? Futures and gold, futures trading gold, futures and trading gold. Same exact price action. Is Fed support only buy? Yeah, like I said, the 4 count's gonna be bullish here, but before going up, you need a bottom wick, right? So like, what are you grabbing versus what am I grabbing? We're grabbing different things here, but learn to understand that we could both win in both positions, right? So like this forward kind of overall, look how it's closing bullish. It should fill the wick up towards 24.21, but before coming up, it's gonna create a bottom wick first at 24.13. So like you have a range coming down towards it, you can take sales off the bat, and you likely would need a bottom wick before coming up on the forward account to grab liquidity. All right, so that's the idea behind it. That's the idea behind it. Pay attention here, chat. It might be a quick trade off the bat. If you open up with no bottom wick, that'd be amazing. But let's see. The music is hidden. All right, bottom wick first. All right, chat. Got sells there off the bat of the 4 kind of opening, anticipating that you're going to come down towards 24.13. So that's the position that we have here. TP is going to be roughly around here. And then stop loss is going to be probably, or TP is going to be down here, 24.12.63, chat. And then we're going to look for stops to be probably going to be above, I'll say above these ranges here. Whoa, that's only 60 pips. Whoa. I'll say daily kind of highs, to be honest. How big is that? Let's see. 100? Yeah, put it right here. Above the daily kind of high, slightly to the left, 120. Probably gonna be 24.26.86 to stops. TP is 24.12.71. And the position that we got into was at 24.14.61, chat. Just anticipating a bomb before coming up in the 4-hour candle. That's the idea behind it. So let's see what happens here. Can we come down towards TP here? Once you break the lows here at 24.13.66, and we're moving stops to break even. So right here, chat. Once you re-break the current candle lows here, we'll move stops to break even, okay? Let me see. Entry was around here, right? Entry was around the flip, the opening. Yeah, so the opening here. And the stops are the daily candle highs here. Right above there. And TP is going to be 24.12. The reason why I wouldn't extend TP for runners is because like I don't think the like the 4 count's more so bullish, right? So like I believe this is just a bottom wick for us to go up. So my TP is gonna be around like 24.12, just to anticipate the bottom wick. But once you re-break the lows, we'll be break even. And they actually might be in our position, chat. Maybe potential positions again, a second wick entry. But not yet though. I think it would have been around like 24.16 if price continue up here, but it looks like it's coming back down. Can you re-break the lows here? 2413.66 is the minimum requirement here. Can that be tapped here for us? You have 2 minutes left for a 5 closure to chat. And to take catching your trades. What you mean by that? Yeah, 2 minutes here for a closure to chat on the 5. So let's see how this 5 closes up. But so far you opened up, came down, re-broke the highs, coming back down again. I just want to see the thing re-break the lows, because if you re-break the lows, you should drive down towards TP. If you can re-break 2413.83, this is pretty much clean traffic coming down here. Get ready to move stops to break even here. Just be prepared. You know, it's coming close. So 10 pip top wick. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Re-break. All right, cool. Chat, stops to break even here. Make this a risk-free trade, okay? So stops at a break even, making that a risk-free trade. He came down to re-break the lows again. That was the advantage point. And he hit break even here. So like, you came down to exactly tap that zone that I hit break even. I don't know if you guys did. You guys might have had a better entry than me, but I definitely hit break even there. So I'm out of that trade. I think what we look for next is the 4 kind of flip for the 4 buys, the buys after the 4 wick fill. But again, this trade was just for the 4 bottom wick, right? That's all that was for. Once this forms, I would assume that the 4 candle will continue to drive up to fill the wick, and that's why you can look for buys next, right? But I wouldn't read 10th or 2nd position for the bottom wick. That was it. I think you peaked at what? What'd you peak at, chat? Like 8 pips. I think yeah, it was 8 pips. If you had a better entry, probably got a lot more, but that was mine entry. I got an entry for right there. Oh no, we peaked like 9 pips. No. Entry was here. We got slipped on the stops. It was 8 pips. Yeah, 8 pips. It's not bad though. We didn't hit gold break even the first time, but the second time we did. And it broke even. So I think what's next to chat is the 4 kind of buys. But the question now is like, how steep is the bottom wick, right? Obviously my TP was over at 2412. I was anticipating that 2412 to be tapped. I would say around there would be nice. If you can tap 2412 and then re-break the 4 highs and at 2415, you can have a buy stop right here going up towards like 2416. But I wouldn't have that just yet, just because like, I do believe that you need a bottom wick here, man. I do believe so. So let's see what goes on here, chat. Can you actually tap it now and reflip bullish on the 4? This fight opened up with no top wick. So if you didn't go break even the first time, definitely go break even now. Minimum, chat, I'll say. Minimum, bro. Minimum break even if you're not going to look for ways to close. But you guys understand that trade deal, chat? Is understand the idea behind it, like to anticipate the 4 bottom wick first. You see how you have no bottom wicks here? You need a bottom wick here before going up. Right? Like, it's very rare price will drive up like this. Very rare. What you'll see before driving up though is you'll see like this. You see that form before driving up. So that's why like we're waiting for that bottom wick first, or anticipating the bottom wick first before any buys a minimum. And that's just a minimum, bro. For all I know, the 4 bottom could be anywhere. It could be anywhere. It can even flip on a daily for all I know, but at least you know that was a minimum requirement. And if you have a minimum requirement, that's your play. That's your trade from your playbook, right? That you're taking. But yeah, man, let's see. It's only 9-6 here, bro. That was a quick trade. Quick trade. Why no wick entry buys? Because you need a bottom with the taps 2412 first, minimum. So if you tap that first minimum, I have a buy stop, because 2412 is just a minimum. It's not like a guaranteed rejection to go up, right? So like if it taps 2412, I'll have a buy stop on the 4 flip, because if you actually come down, break the lows and then flip, it's an indication that you're driving up now. Strong indication. Whereas if you take a wick entry at 2412, you could get it right, but the 4 bomb could be anywhere. It could be anywhere. It could be like 2411, 2408, 2401. It could be anywhere. That's why the bottom wick and then the buy stop. would be a lot better for me. If you had a wick entry, you had a wick entry, right? But I gotta wait for that bottom wick, man. Why you guys get so quiet for a chat? Every time you're in a trade, you guys get so quiet, bro. Why? Goddamn, like. Jory Love, thanks for the 7 months, bro. Appreciate you. We're not as calm as you. What do you mean? I'm teaching you how to be calm, chat. I'm literally telling you how it is, like what to do every single day, chat. How to stay calm, how to stay relaxed and composed, man. All you really gotta do is plan trades out from your playbook, take your trades, and then the rest is history. Just keep doing that, man. Every single day, nothing changes. Nothing changes when you have a $100 account versus a $1,000 account. Yeah, you gotta like start applying those habits now if you want to get to the point where you have hundreds and thousands of millions of dollars in your MT5 account. Because you will get there eventually, but to get there, you need to start with the basics, right? You need to start with things that will resonate over to that higher, bigger account size. Composure, man. Look, 24.12 cannot be tapped. I hate break even, bro. That the risk that we had there was like there's a minor support here, and that's just why we went break even here, right? That was the idea behind it. Usually our trades, that's what we do. Whenever we do have an advantage point, we move stocks to break even because any given point price could reject there. In this trade, in this situation, that advantage point was only like 8 pips for us, right? But at least we had an advantage point. You always need one. All right, you see how you're coming down here, chat? So now I can have the 4-hour buy stops on the flip, right? Now I can have the 4-hour buy stop. So I'll let you guys know when I place it, but you are coming down here. If you can come down a little further, that'd be a lot better. But I see why this level could be rejected too. It's off of these zones here. But yeah, man. Once you flip bullish your chat, you have an advantage point up until I think what is this? Nope. What do you have here? 4-hour candle. Yeah, you have a clean shots of 24.17, I'll say. 24.17. All right, cool. So you tapped it completely now. Good. So now that you tap the chat, if you start flipping bullish, so like if price starts to make its way up towards like 24.14, I'll place the buy stops above 24.15. But it needs to flip first for me to take the buys. I won't be taking buys now as wick entries, just because I don't know where the bottom wick is going to be. And the 5 just closed bearish too, so this 5 can just come up, create top, we can come back down. Let me put trades taken here real quick. Trades taken, hold buys, hold sells. Don, can you elaborate on advantage point? Do you break an advantage point? Yeah, break-even point, advantage points are just like minor support resistance levels, right? So you have an overall target, which we had at 24.12, but on the way down, at what levels could you possibly reject that? At the levels where you could possibly reject that is where you want to move stocks to break even and manage your risk. So at those levels, I tend to move stocks to break even or close half or sometimes even close full, but it depends, right? Because you should have an overall target, which is your TP, but you have to be worried about the things that could happen as well during that trade. And chat, I'm gonna have a buy stop here. I have a buy stop here. 24.15. How much is that difference from here? 3 pip difference? Yeah. I have a buy stop at 24.15. I'll show you guys exactly when I place it, but you will see in my screen. I'll just put this and the buy stop there, okay? But let me wait till it actually comes up closer to at least flipping, so I don't gotta waste your time. Yo, imagine the markets fucking took commission off of you for taking buys and sell stops. That'd be fucked up. Every time he takes a buy stop, it's commission. Why don't you take wick entries? Brother. I explain why for the sells I can't, or for the buys I can't take a wick entry here, bro. I explained it 3 times this stream on this in the last 12 minutes here. I explained it 3 times, bro. You gotta open your ears up, man. Open your ears up, bro. That's it. I explained it 3 times why there's no wick entry here. You're asking like why don't take wick entries? We do. Just it's different for every scenario, right? In this scenario here, I explain why I can't. Right? I explain why I can't this exact price action scenario. Open them ears, man. Open them ears. Do you want me to buy you a headset, bro? Why do you eat food? I don't know, man. I was a little late. Yeah, bro, it's okay. It's okay, bro. This is why I didn't take a wick entry. You see this? You see this? See the 5 top wicking coming down? That's why. That's what we explained. That's what we're worried about. Taking wick entries at the zone here. If I take a wick entry, to be honest, chat, I think wick entries could be like, probably like 24. I'll say 24. 24.10 to be honest could be a wick entry, but it needs to come down without creating structure. So like if it comes down from here, 1 drop, amazing. If it comes down, pulls back, comes down, pulls back, creates structure, then no, you can't take the buys there, because any given point this thing can just pop, right? But if there is a wick entry area for us, I'll say like between 24.10 and 24.09, but I think 24.10.360 might not be too bad of a wick entry area. There's no bottom wick here, so like if you're gonna come down, you should come down to fill the entire range, and then once you do come down, you could likely reject off of that 24.10 mark. If it's not that for us for the buys, then it's gonna be above the 1 hour candle highs. That won't be too bad. Why did our setup open up just now? Yeah, 24.10 point. What is that? 24.10.360. Take a look. Right there. You're looking to mirror this. Bottom wick going up. No bottom wick there. That should be a pretty strong rejection level, chat. Pretty strong. 2 boxes. No more blocks needed. 2 boxes. Or 2 circles today. Okay, that's the analysis. 1 circle here, 1 circle there. That's it. Look at those 2 things right there. But let's see what happens here. This 15's gonna close bearish here. It's closing bearish, respecting support. If you look at the 15, look at the support to the left here. Actually, I'll give it 7 seconds before I speak on it, but it looks like it is going to respect support for the most part. Yeah, I'll put it as respecting. So like if it's respecting support, technically this 15 should come down, right, to fill that wick. So as it comes down to fill that wick, right, you see how it didn't close below the structure point? It's closing respecting. This 15 overall should be doing this. After it does that and it taps 24.10, we'll look for a buy. We'll look for a buy at 24.10. And then we'll look for the buys up like this. But it's either that or we're taking the 4 flip. 4 flip won't be too bad too. Or 4 kind of re-break the highs at least won't be too bad. I do want to see a 15 bottom wick though here, man. That is a need. Not gonna lie to you guys, that is a need. No bosses for me just yet, chat. I'm still worried about this 15-minute bottom wick. So like what we could do to not worry about that 15 bottom wick is apply an extra confirmation. So like what that means is that, okay, if the 15 candle were to come up here, right, and you're worried about the 15-minute candle flipping because it closed bearish here, technically this is what should happen, right? But if you come up here, right, you tap like 24.15 and then you retrace back. So let's say you come up towards here, you retrace back like this. I'll have a buy stop once it retraces. So once it retraces, we have a buy stop in the re-break it has, because then if it re-breaks the highs, it's creating structure. So like, see how it's doing this right now? Popping up. If it pulls back, it's creating a higher low. So a buy stop in the re-break it highs would just re-break the current kind of highs. Therefore, you see a pop like this up towards next resistance afterwards. And then that's your buy up above this high. All right, so that's why like, if you're worried about the 15 bottom wick flipping, which I am, that's what I'm going to apply for the buy stops. But I won't be taking buy stops off the bat. Hey man, you have 14 minutes left, chat, until NYC open here. So let's see what that does. NYC open, bro. Did we buy stops? No, we never had a buy stop. We had a sell and that's it. No buy stops though. Drop the July stream records. What's the stream record in July? What day was that on Friday, chat? 14? 12. Okay, we updated Friday then. What's the stream record? Damn, I didn't update this record? Okay. Damn, okay. Fuck. Damn, I didn't update since the 9th. So we did 5 there. That was on stream. Remember that? That was a pineapple position, right? Yep, that was a drawdown trade. Then we did after that. We did this London. This 11th was the 15. And then we did 0 break even on Friday, and then we had another trade on Friday for 10. So then. Oh, this music is too chaotic, bro. Way too chaotic. What's the stream record? 7-0 for the month. Oh no, 7. Oh, we hit break even just now too, right? So then that makes it another break even here on 7:15. And then that makes it now 7-2-0. Not bad, not bad, not bad. This channel is 10. All right, 4 candles flip chat. Did you bottom wig, that's not bad. That's not too bad. I don't have a boss up just yet, chat. I'm gonna wait for this thing to re-break the highs. Remember that? I'm gonna wait for it to re-break the highs. And I'm gonna wait for the pullback and then my boss up after that. So like once it breaks 24.16, it pulls back. I have a boss up above wherever the high is of the current kind of high. The pullback isn't too steep too. Like I'm looking for just like just like some type of pullback to confirm that the 15 isn't gonna flip, right? Because any given point, this candle here in 9 minutes, within 9 minutes, it could literally just flip bearish. Because the previous candle closed bearish. This one closed bearish right here. Right? So any given point, this thing could just create a high and just flip bearish. If it does that, you can have a sell stop actually too. But let's just relax for a little bit. Ideas are coming. Ideas are coming. When there's volume chat, it's just so many ideas, so many plays you can take. Don Julio, what's up, man? Did you break the highs? Getting close. Getting close. Not yet, though. Did you break out an MT5? I'm talking about the previous 1 hour high, chat. The previous 30-minute high start. Oh no, the previous 15-minute high. That's what I was looking at. No, you didn't. You came close. You came like a pip away. Almost there though. Should be breaking highs now. Don, I'm telling you, new hour will be a sell. Only sell, bet me. I don't care to bet, bro, because I could be in sells too. I could end up being in sells too, bro. You gotta get out of that mindset of like, yo, like this is what could happen here. This is what only must happen here. Like you have to just be open-minded to how others trade, bro. Open-minded to what anyone could grab. Like you're saying sells, right? Someone could just been in buys at 24.12 for all I know here. They would have won. Done day. They're out here, bro. They're done. They're done before you, my friend. So like, just learn to like understand that like there's different ways to catch the fish, right? Like I was bullish today on the 4, but I took sells. Why? The bottom wick. What happened? The bottom wick form. But then someone before was looking for buys, and they also won too. Both sides would have won today, bro. And that's what you have to understand, man. It really comes like just open-minded, bro. But some guys are just like you guys be trading like this, bro. Like, nah, I'm only taking buys here, bro. No one can tell me otherwise. Like angry as fuck, bro. Like just take your position, bro. It's okay, man. It's okay, bro. You're just like, no, not taking no buys. Nope. Like, bro, calm down, bro. Like, okay, don't take the buys then. Damn, bro. On a Monday, bro. Don't be taking the buys then, bro. Like, it's okay, bro. You can both win positions, bro. Holy, bro. Average on roids. Yo, but you know, just you take whatever you want to take, bro. It's okay, bro. It's okay, bro. I'm here. We can both win, bro. We can both win. It's okay. That's all it's all about. Bro, train like my way or no way? For real, bro. What is that? A clip? You clip that shit up? Man, you're quick, bro. Oh man. Okay, chat, lock it in. We broke the highs. You broke the highs here, okay? You broke the highs. You're pulling back now. So once you re-break this highs here, you can have a buy stop. So now I have a buy stop at 24.15.95, chat. All right? I got a buy stop here, 24.15.95. Yeah, 24.15.95, the break of the highs. This is, you see, you came up to re-break the highs now. You pull back here. If you actually re-break the highs again, then you should be able to push up towards the top of the range next. I would say if you come down to like break below, ooh, bottom wick, okay, yeah, good. I was gonna say I need a bottom wick here. If you come down to break below like 24.12, I'd delete the buy stop because then the 4 kind of re-breaks the lows again. The 1 hour kind of re-breaks the lows, and you might come down first deep bottom wick. But I got a buy stop here, chat. Actually, how much is this, chat? How much is this? This difference is what? 5 pips, 6 pips. Nah, you want to see the re-break of the highs because the third man counted the 15 here. The 4. Yeah, you want to see the re-break of the 4 highs. I was gonna say maybe we could take this buy stop instead, like above this high, but it's a 5 pip difference. But the idea is that you want to see all the highs break here, so that's why I don't have that. 5 pip difference though, it's not too bad. You would have been activated here. Let's see what would have happened. Buy stops is at 24.15.95 chat on Blueberry. Okay, so wherever the buy stop is in your broker, it's just the high of the 4 highs. It's the 4 highs on your broker. Okay, and break even point, chat, is gonna be like around 24.16. I'll say that's a break even point you can have. They didn't break the highs yet, almost there. And then stops are probably gonna be, I'll say, where stops there? You probably use a day account low here, chat. 2400.71. All right, chat. So I got into buys here, chat, as you came up to re-break the highs there. Okay, TP is gonna be around 24. I'll say half of the wick fill, 24.19, and then stop loss is gonna be the day account lows, which is down here, 24.01. All right, these are the buys I got into. Break even point will be at 24.16.901. So when you tap that level, we're moving stocks to break even, making that a risk-free trade. I think that's roughly 10% profit. The reason behind it is that that level right there is a minor resistance. So at that point there, you want to be taking advantage of that push up, right? Because this is clean traffic up to then. But yeah, that's the buys we got into. We got activated at 24.16.12 here, chat. That was the exact buy position that we had here. I think the difference, yeah, it would have been a 5 pip difference, but we would have got 10 pips, I think, right? Or 8 pips. We had better advantage point, but same idea though. If 4 kind of re-breaks the highs after a bottom wick, should continue to pop. Yeah, 2 minutes left for a 15 closure here. 2 minutes for a 30 closure as well. And if you look at the 4-hour candle too, chat, if you look at the 1-hour candle and the 4, you're looking to tap into this target. I'm pretty sure that's my TP, right? 24.17, 24.18. If you look at it, if price were to really come down today, especially coming down to break the day of lows like this, it's going to need to come up for a top wick this deep. Minimum. If you look left on price here, looking at this, same thing happened here, right? Last time you came up, you actually came up for a top wick towards those levels before coming back into the ranges. So that's the idea behind it. You should be able to tap that zone minimum, and that's why that's our TP. Right there, 24.18. Right? Is that my TP today? Let's see. Where's my TP at? 24. Yeah, 24.18 right there. 24.18. 24.18.19. One minute for a 15 close, chat. You got out at 39 pips and worry about the fake out after a drive? Could be. I think for me, I applied the re-break of the highs as a confirmation that the 15-minute count is gonna fake out. But like that's why I waited for the price to break a high, break the lows again, and then re-break the highs, and then have the buy stop afterwards. But off of your judgment, whatever you feel. If you caught 39 pips, that's a W day, bro. That's a W trade. Can you re-break the highs for the 3rd time now? Because if you do, then expect a drive, chat, with a pretty strong drive, especially NYSE open here. You should see a pop up towards 24.17, 24.16 very nicely here. This music's intense, bro. To drive NYSE with ease, yeah. NYSE open, because look how it's closing too. On the 15, assuming it closes above 24.15.037 here, should be able to pop very nicely. Three, 2, 1. Okay, bottom wick and then a pop. Be prepared though, chat. Once you tap that zone there, this zone right here, your movement starts to break even. 24.17, okay? But 30-minute count closed bullish, 15 closed bullish. Everything closed bullish here. Looking left, you have clean traffic up. It's just the bottom wick. After the bottom wick, we have a second buy stop on the re-break of highs, maybe. Maybe. What's the difference between our entry and the highs? 5 pips? We peaked like what there? 5 pips? 3 pips? 2 pips? Can you flip? I'm assuming here, if chat, if you're gonna come down for a bottom wick, it's gonna be around 24.14.37 here for a bottom wick. Yeah, 24.14.37, like right here. And you should see price react off of that zone there. And then once you flip, just a straight push up towards 17.22 and then eventually 18. Once you flip here though, it should be good. Like once you flip into 30 or re-break the highs on 30, should be a pop. What's up, brother? Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you re-break? Did you re-break that chat? Not right. Almost. Came close. 0.5 pips away from re-breaking the highs, as you can see in the 1 minute chart. Right there. Once it breaks the high, it's just on pop. Right here. That pop. So now moving starts to break even, chat. Making this a risk-free trade. Can you tap targets? Look at this one. Broke the highs, clean traffic to the left, right? You came up, tapped that minor resistance there to the left, which was our advantage point, I'm pretty sure. You see that yellow line, that advantage point? That's why we move stocks to break even there in case it does reject here, right? So now it's just about running or not running. It comes down to price action. What does it want to do? Is it going to pop? Is it going to pop? If it can push through this strongly, that'd be nice. If it struggles here, then we might hit break even, chat. But minimum break even, bro. Minimum break even if you're in a trade. Okay. We're breaking the highs. Can you pop? NYC open. Jerome, testify. Jerome. Come on, Jerome. Jerome, please. No, Jerome. No. Okay, 1 minute pullback. Is that what it is? Okay, can you re-break the highs now? Come on, Jerome. Ooh, 1 minute close bullish here. Bottom wick. You gotta survive this bottom wick, chat. You have to survive this bottom wick, bro. You have to. Okay, survive. That'll be survival, maybe. Can you re-break the highs now? Okay, re-break the highs. Can you trail stops to 1 minute lows? Still break even, chat. Not doing that just yet. I want to see if you can survive this bottom wick here on the 1. Thickman? Okay, now we can move stocks to the lows. Nope, not yet. Can it flip? Can it flip? Can it flip? Yo, 1 minute chart is intense, bro. Wow, this is a lot of volume here, chat. Might hit break even though. This is so much volume here. The range is too small from our vantage point. What do we peak here so far? 8, 9? Jerome, testify. All right, bottom wick again. This count's gonna come down for a bomb again. Once it breaks the highs, it should drive here. This is the once it re-breaks the highs of 24-17. But this count here is bearish, right? So it should fill the wick first. The scary part about that is that it's very close to break even. But like once it does fill that wick, it re-breaks the highs, you're good to go. So you should see something like this, chat. To be honest, like I wouldn't be surprised. But you gotta survive this though. That's the thing, right? We don't know if we're gonna survive. But this bottom wick must be tapped. And yeah, bottom wick got tapped. Okay, so let's see what happens now. Let's see if we actually survive. If we would have survived there, but break even got hit, chat. I did not close full there my positions. I got like, I think 11 pips, maybe 10. I didn't close. I intended that we're going to drop a lot further up, but with the way the 1 minute was closing there, you need a bottom wick here, bro. And this is a very volatile 5 minute candle, chat. NYC open here coming up. In terms of what's next, chat, we gotta wait and see, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. Right now, think about it for a second, okay? Think about it for a second. You can't take the same trade again, right? Because the advantage point is different now. So like, this is your resistance here, right? On price, right here. You close slightly above it, which the idea is still the same. You should pop up still with the 4-hour candle, the 1-hour candle. But think about it now. If you were to get buys up, what would make the most sense here? What and where and how would you get entries, and where and why would that make the most sense, right? So you can't take the re-break at highs at 24-17, right? Why? Because the TP that we had today was 24-18. From here to here, it's like a 10-pip range, bro. Maybe 9 with spreads. So you can't take the re-break at highs for buys, right? So what you could do is mark up this as your resistance here on the 1-hour time frame, and I think a closure above there would be a lot better now, because we took the break of the highs earlier because that was our we had range coming up. We had a nice advantage point, right? But now if you want to take buys, you don't have the same advantage point, which means that now if you're taking buys, you gotta wait for the actual closure above here. You might not even close above for all I know, but you do need a close above for me to take a second position for the buys. But look at things, how things are formed, chat. So far, what do you have? You have price on the 1-hour candle. It came up, made a top wick. It's flipping bearish again. It's at the opening of the candle. Same with the 4 candle hasn't done much yet. So what you want to wait for now is 2 things, chat. Pretty simple and straightforward, chat. Pretty simple and straightforward. There's a level here at 24.18. There's a level down here at 24.11. I believe here that you're not going to move on price here until you tap those 2 levels there. So what that means is that like these are 2 liquidity levels here. There's a liquidity level or a block or whatever you want to call it at 24.18. There's also a level down here at 24.10. So these 2 levels here, the moment you see a tap into this level, or you see a tap into this level, this level or this level, you will see direction form today because it's NYSE open here. You have no direction form just yet. You're still hovering and ranging. You're still deciding where you want to go, 4 candle lows or rebreak the highs to drive on a daily, right? So once you tap 24.18 or 24.10, we'll start to plan out the next trades that we could take. Okay, chat? And it should be a W day, but I don't think we're gonna have trades for the rest of the 1 hour count here. If I'm being honest with you guys, I think we might actually be waiting for those 2 levels to be tapped to get a directional trade now, because these trades that we're taking here aren't directional trades. They're just trades that are in the ranges, right? We're playing the top, we're playing the bottom wick. So now that you have both, you want to wait for direction to form, and that'll be the best trade of the day probably. But I think 10 a.m. here, and you don't have news at 10, right? Yeah, you have nothing today, so you're chilling. But just wait till 10, and then should get a better idea of what's going on here. All right, chat. Marcos, what's up, bro? What's up, man? What's up? What's up? What's up? Guys got this July stream record? Yeah, I gotta do. I got it, man. I gotta. Bro, this song is crazy, bro. That pop was nice though. When we broke the 1 hour, the 1 minute highs, I just thought we'll have more room going up. If I'm being honest, bro. I honestly thought we'll push drive straight up towards that TP. I think we were like maybe 7 pips away from TP. Like, what did we peak there, chat? We peaked 11 pips there. Not bad. Not bad, not bad. Don, can I go eat? Yeah, you probably can. Unless you tap 24.10 right now. Just be ready though. I said 10 a.m.'s next trades, but obviously you could tap that 24.18 or 24.10 before 10 a.m. here, man. For all I know, so you can go to washroom though. Bring your phone, bro. Why didn't you target TP? Was feeling logic? You just get a little greedy or what? A little greedy? No, I think you have more range going up. I don't close my trades because I have 10 pips, right? Otherwise, like air trade would be 10 pips. It comes down to price action. Like, what's cleanest? Looking at the 4, if you broke the highs 3 times, I would have assumed that the 4 and the 1 had clean traffic up to 24.18. So there's more room going up for me. If I were to close at 10 and it were a drive, what would you have said then? You should have held on. You should have held the trade, right? So like, it really depends on the trade. In this situation, I assume we had more range going up, but obviously I was wrong. I'm not sure what you guys did though. Maybe you guys closed full at 10. Maybe you guys didn't. What'd you guys do there? Air trades 10 pips. True that. True that. True that. True that. This can be a fake out now, right? But you guys understand how, like, in this situation, no matter what happens, you gotta come for a top wick. So like you have that advantage point, and now that you have a fake out, you're getting closer and closer to making more structure to have directional trades here. Yeah, it gets interesting here, chat. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. You close 8%. Nice, nice, nice. Hey, that person sells it that said it's gonna be a sell day. See how your position would have won too, bro? Okay, man. We both would have won today. Okay. Chat might be right to, yo, chat, let's see. 24.10 might be tapped there very shortly here, actually. It might be a quick pop. I know IC Open is picking up right now. I guess you can argue and say a 30-minute candle was a leg candle too. Not bad. Not bad of a candle. Trade's taken. True. Wait, trade's taken. Yeah, no, we took sells first, then buys. We took 2 positions there. Be ready, chat. Once it taps 24.10, chat, it gets very interesting. Obviously, we can't take wick entry buys, right? But if it taps 24.10 and then it closes below like 24.10, 21242, we We have straight sells down, to be honest, bro. I say a closure below though, man. Huh. 50 minute candle? Yeah, that's a 50 pip 30 minute candle here. Remember how today, chat, I said the battle between the daily and the one? Like obviously the one, right? You see how you're creating structure now? Like this is what the 1 hour did. Came down, came back up. Now it's coming back down again to root break the lows, right? As you root break the lows and tap into 2410, you're tapping into the next minor support. So like as you close below there, like this, it should be pretty good to drive further down like that. If it closed below 2409, say, it should be the direction for the rest of the day. Straight down below 2409, coming down towards like 2403. But you gotta kind of break that low. Still stuck in a trim. Internet was down. What to do? Your internet was down, bro. Did you not have data on your mobile device? If you don't have data, then I mean, you better hope this 30 minute candle flips bullish, man. You better hope. I hope this 30 minute candle just flips bullish right now. After a bottom wick within the next minute and a half here. Otherwise, 50% close bearish, and if you get a top wick, you might fill the wick down. Yeah, man. I say 2 ways of getting out: top wick on the 50 minute candle, or a 30 minute candle flip. How much do you risk each trade? Around 4 to 5% per trade. 4 to 5%. Damn, Kai's not bought a house. Ray is moving in. That's pretty crazy. Oh, 30 minute flip, bro. You might be good. Do you focus on risk to reward? No, I focus on price action. Risk to reward is irrelevant when you have price action. Risk to reward will tell you where your resistance is, where your support is. So I don't focus on risk to reward, because when I focus on risk to reward, you start to force risk to reward trades. You start to force things that aren't logical. Like you start to force a 1 to 10. How the fuck you gonna have a 1 to 10 if price action shows that there's a resistance there? If price action shows that there's a rejection there, right? Sometimes the targets aren't big enough for you to have a positive risk to reward. So for me, like I'm just trading what the market's giving me. Right, so like if I have a resistance right here, but I have a logical stop loss which is below the structure point, and it's much bigger than my TP, that's what the trade is going to be. But I can't just like force my RR, you know what I mean? Like for instance, in this trader, when we took the buys, I can't just like, you know, I can't just say this. I can't just say that just because like first of all, you didn't come down top 2410 yet for me to say that. To say that this stop is gonna be respected, right? Even though this is a nice 1 to 10 trade. No, what is this? 1 of 4? 1 of 4. 1 of 4. Yeah, 1 of 4 roughly. So like, you know, would have looked nice, but like, is that the most logical trade? Just because it has a high risk to reward doesn't mean it's gonna be a probable trade. Doesn't mean it's gonna play out, right? So I'm looking at it in terms of just price action. What's the most logical thing I could do here? But it's all depending, bro. It's all depending on the situation, man. Oh, 2.29. Oh, true that. Yeah, I don't know how to use a risk to reward tool, bro. Clearly, bro. In 10 years, do you think your emotions are gonna be different? In 10 years, I think I'm gonna be better than where I was today, right? But I don't think it'll be different. I think what I do now would just be like elevated. That's it. Like every time that I go in a drawdown versus every time that I hit stops, I will get stronger, right? So throughout the next 10 years, if that continues to happen, we can only really go up, and we can only build better emotions for when we're in those situations. So yeah, man, like anything, it's the same shit, man. Like $1 million drawdown would be 4% drawdown. That's how I think about it, right? Like let's say 30K is my 4% right now drawdown. Okay, cool. $1 million might be for my 4% drawdown one day, right? But it's just it's the same thing that applies. Like to get there, you gotta start understanding that first, though, right? Even if you're at like $100 account right now, like you gotta understand like 4% of $100 is $4, but that's the same shit as risking $1 million and making that being 4% as well. Nothing changes, bro. The skill still applies the same way. The way you read price, the way you move stocks to break even, the way you choose your stops, the way you close partials, like all of that is the same shit throughout your entire career. Nothing changes aside from your balance. So like, yeah, man, I don't think anything will change. What are you gonna tap first here, bro? You came down just now, right? Didn't you just come down? You came down and break the lows here, no? You came down and break the 5. Yeah, you came down and tap 24.14, and then now you're coming back up again. Still no direction, chat. Still no direction. It's crazy how you say these things every day for the same months, but most of these people don't want to listen. Yeah, man, I don't know why, bro. I don't know how many more examples they need, your boy Mike. Chat, I've been repeating the same thing every day for the last like 4 years, bro. Nothing has changed. Like I've lived it with you guys on stream, man. You gotta tap in, bro. You gotta just lock it in, bro. That punch hits high score. What? On my second account? I got 230 on that, bro. Yo, rate my punch, chat. 1 out of 10, bro. 1 out of 10. What do you guys think? Is it here still? Oh, it's here still. Yo, that's not bad for a first time, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. If I get into boxing, it's wraps. I'm about to be Mayweather over here, bro. That's not bad for a first punch, bro. 929. I can easy break 999. Easy. Ain't no way, bro. My form is a little off though, but it's there. The power is there, bro, for sure. I got a volleyball arm, chat. Like, so I got an arm, but I just need a technique. You use them hips to be golden. So hips, huh? Yeah, my boy's a boxer, so like, he's trying to give me some tips. Did the Argentina versus Colombia game start? Bro, are you lost, bro? Argentina versus Colombia. Wasn't that last night, chat? Am I tripping? That was last night, right? Yeah, Messi won. Did the game even start? Yeah, Messi won, right? And then who won the Euros? Spain. That was a crazy ending to the game. The Argentina game was crazy too. That was crazy too. Messi's showing why he's a GOAT though, chat. I'm not gonna lie though, bro. Messi won the World Cup and the Copa America. Ronaldo over here struggling to even make it to the finals. He got hurt. He did, right? That's why he wasn't playing the second half of the game. Yeah. Ronaldo just old, bro. You know, that's just all that is, bro. Age got to him. How old is Ronaldo? A year older than Messi. 39. Messi is 37. 2 years. Unk status has been achieved. Mbappe is 25. Dang, man. How old's Holland? 23, bro. He's my age. His birthday's in 6 days. Wow. Ooh. Alien got cooked by a 17-year-old. Did he score yesterday? What's his name? Yamal? He scored yesterday? Holy fuck, bro. He scored yesterday. That's insane. Wait, no. No. 1 assist, 2 shots. No, he didn't score. $17 is crazy, bro. I know Roger hating that guy right now too, bro, for being young. I know for a fact. What? No. I invented football. Oh, download clips. Hold on, bro. Yeah, Roger already hating that guy, bro. Already think of videos to make already. Bro, Mayfield plus up 6 days ago? Yeah, we did. We did. Okay, chat. 6 days ago, I think that. What day is that, chat? 6 days ago was like the 9th around here. That was this day. It was stack position. I think it was like these 2 trades. I think I might be wrong. Pretty sure. Those 4, those 3. Yeah. 7k plus 7k, 14, 15k ish. Yeah, that was 50 bips. That was on 8th of July. I watched our live trader. No, but I'm watching my charts right now. I'm just waiting because I think you're gonna have better volume at 10 a.m. here. So we're just waiting for the 1 hour closure, and that's it. We'll be good. Can you tell us how you made 50 bips? I just took a position. I think I just took a position. I think it was like, where was it? How I made 50 pips is nothing different from how I made 10 pips, bro. It's just the position ran, you know? But I think we took 2 positions. I think we took right here, right? We took 2 buys right here for wick enters up, and we got, nope, that wasn't it. That wasn't it. Where was it? It was right here. 25 pips? 25 pips. Just sells down and re-break out lows. All right, go chat. I think you're starting to get direction here shortly, chat. Look at the 1 hour closure. Another bottom wick, 30-minute leg. Candle was not phased. He came back to re-break the highs. So it looks like as the 1 hour candle is closing bullish here, you might have better structure and volume for us to drive up here towards 24.18, 511 here. That is still my overall target, I'll say here, especially if you're starting to close bullish on the 1 hour time frame. Let's see how this 1 hour closes, chat. It's very key how you close here, but it looked like the 4 candle is going to fill the rest of the wick now because you created structure since, right? At 9 a.m. was a little different. You're still trying to figure out where the bottom wick is, but you can kind of see it got formed down here, right? This is where the bottom got formed. And ever since it got formed, it's been creating structure since, right? So like it's been creating higher lows since. So like you have this right there, boom, came up, came back down, came up, came back down. You have structure here. So with the more structure you have, the less likely you are to break, and therefore the more so you have direction. So if 10 a.m. is coming up here in 3 minutes here, you close bullish on the 1 hour candle, you can probably look for buys straight up towards the rest of the wick fill in the 4, which is up here, and then you can have an advantage point at 24.18. If you can open up with a bottom wick and you get a wick entry buy up, that'll be a lot better, to be honest. Let's see what happens. You want to see this kind of pull back a little bit here. Or if you can close above 24.18 too, that won't be too bad. That'll be maybe a little better. Closure above there, you have straight range going up. All right, chat. It looks like you are starting to form direction here, man. Get ready, bro. Get ready. Get ready. 2 minutes. That person that's in sells, your sells can probably still play out, I think, but you're gonna have to break below 24.11 here, man. You should have seen Messing. He was 17. Different breed. Y'all weren't born yet. How 37? How was he? 37, right? So I'm 24. So I was born, no? I was 13, bro. I was 13. Wait. Yeah, I was 13. Yeah, I was playing FIFA 12 at the time. FIFA 13 on the PSP. On the PlayStation Portable. I was using Barcelona. Yeah, I was playing. Bro. Wait. Oh, fuck. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I was playing when I was 4 too, bro. I was playing when I was 4, chat. I was playing when I was 4. Wait, what do you mean 4, bro? Oh, 17. True. Chat, I'm locked into the count right now, okay? Like, yo, it's one or the other, bro. I can't do two at once. So let me lock this in, okay? Before we go into more drawdown. 43 seconds here, bro. 40 seconds for a closure. Let's see how this thing closes, man. Looking decent for stops too, bro. Not bad. Are we gonna get a top wick though? You want a top wick, chat. You do want a top wick. You want to see this thing pull back. Like a closure at 24.18, 735 would be amazing. That would be perfect. Just pull back. Pull back. If you have no top wick, it might be a tough counter to read, bro. 0.18, 18.76. Okay, you have a top wick. Oh, what the fuck? Okay, chat, perfect. Gonna look for a buy position right here, chat. Opened up, no bottom wick here, chat. No top wick here, chat. So got into a buy position right here. TP is up, gonna be at the wick fill. So up at 24.20 minimum. Stop loss is gonna be down, I'll say around the day count lows there for now. Hard stops right here, chat. Hard stops. All right, but that's the position I got into, chat. So I'll say break even zones here, chat, would be around here. So once you actually tap 24.20.34, I'll move stops to break even, make that a risk-free trade. But that's the idea behind it. 1 hour close bullish, come down for a bottom wick, flip bullish, drive up, fill the range fill, and then you hover. All right. So pay attention here, chat, to 24.20-ish levels, okay? Or maybe a little below there, actually. Pay attention to, let's see. Yeah, pay attention to 24.20.08. That should be a good risk-free zone. Hopefully we drive this time too, not hit break even. But likely the last trade of the day, chat. I think we're done after this. That TP is the 4 hour kind of highs. You could extend TP towards like the daily kind of highs. Like you could do that as well. Actually, I might extend TP. 24.24 might not be too bad here. I might extend TP. Are we gonna hold TP though? I don't know. But I'm gonna extend TP though. Yeah, that towards that area there on a daily. Alright, chat. Can we just re-break the highs again though? Let's see a pop. I can't tell what I count close, chat. This count opened up, it just teleported. It closed above, right? But just teleported to like 24.18 plus 620 on TradingView. I think it was just such a quick pullback on the opening of the candle. That TradingView third party was delayed. Stops are down here. This is a very good stop too, chat. Like a very, very good stop. Like look at the structure that you will have to break for you to come down there. You're gonna have to flip here, break these lows here, and break these lows here. So like we have a lot of room for advantage points. By the time you come down and close below, if you come down and close below 2410, you're moving stops. You're sorry, not moving stops. You're closing full, right? You're managing risk, because if the 4 count were to flip bearish and the 1 hour count closes below there, you're breaking structure. You don't need to hold to full stops. You're getting out at like 80 pips, right? But if it drives, obviously it drives towards our break-even point of that. But in case it's a drawdown position, that's what we'll do for managing risk. Okay, so just telling you guys. But yeah, man, that's the trade, chat. That is the trade. Where'd my trade go? This is the trade, chat. Entry was 2418.99 here, so right there, literally right there. Flip and drive. How much is the flip to the break of the highest, chat? 4 pips. Can we tap 2420.09? Should be able to tap here. All right, chat. I'm moving stops to break even here. All right, tap that zone there. Tap that minor resistance there. That's our break even point. Okay. So now we're risk free here. Now let's see what happens. Is it gonna run or is it gonna re-break the lows again? We have a pretty good entry too. It's a flip of the candle. But you know what I'm gonna do here? Oh, I can't do that yet. I actually may so chat. Once it breaks the highest, chat, I'm gonna close half my positions there. So once it re-breaks the current kind of highs, I'm going to close half. All right. If it could re-break. Let's see. Can it re-break the highs? And we hit break even. Okay. So you know what? That's it for my day, chat. 3 break even trades. It just didn't run today. You know, it just kept hitting break even after minor resistance points. Which is fine. I'll call that a day after that, to be honest. I'll come back tomorrow. No feelings. No hard feelings, chat. Just price action being price action. Some days it runs, some days it doesn't run, right? But you gotta like consistently manage risk the right way every time, because when you don't manage risk the right way every time, you're gonna get to a point where you're gonna start saying, you know what, fuck that, I'm not moving stops to break even no more because I keep hitting break even. And you know what's gonna happen? You're gonna actually hit stops one day and be like, fuck, right? But if you consistently manage risk the same way every single trade, no matter what happens here, you'll come on top for all those days, because you actually follow your plan each and every time, right? But when you start breaking your rules, adjusting, twisting, turning because you're tired of hitting break even, that's an emotional feeling that you have. You put that onto the charts, you're gonna get cooked, bro. So yeah, chat, that's it for me, bro. 3 trades today, all break even trades. I think all 3 trades hit 10 pips, I'm pretty sure, but I couldn't close. And that's fine, chat. I'll move on to Monday or to tomorrow, and then we'll be here on Tuesday, chat. Okay, chat? So that was break even, chat. I wasn't gonna close full there at the tip. I was gonna look to move. I was gonna look to close half of my position, because we have a lot of range here, especially since creating all that structure. But it just didn't run. You know what I mean? But that was it for me, chat. That was it for me, man. 7/5/2024. If you guys got 10 or whatever, if you guys closed full, congrats, bro. I don't know what you guys did today, but congrats on whatever you guys did, man. I just hit break even a bunch. 7/15/24. All right. Why doesn't it show that, bro? It's weird. 7/15/2024. All right. Yeah, chat. That's it for my day, chat. Whatever happens, not happens. I can care less about it, okay? If it drives up 100 pips, congrats. If it doesn't, I don't know. But if it drives down, I don't know. But I think I'm done for a day. I'm going to see you guys tomorrow, okay? Like, is there more news today? No, there's no more news. I think Fed Chair Powell speaks at 12. You might have more volume after that, but I don't know, bro. 10 a.m. here. I would have expected volume to come in at this hour. And still got the whole hour left, basically. But tomorrow, chat, big day tomorrow, okay? You have core retail sales, and then retail sales again. And then Wednesday, you have nothing. Thursday, you have employment claims, Philly Fed manufacturing index, and then the Friday you have nothing. So big day tomorrow, chat. I'll see you guys there. Okay, chat. Peace out. Love you guys. Enjoy the rest of your day, chat. Have a good day, man. There, chat. Peace.